Real entrepreneurship is not about lectures. It's not about grades. It's about the work that you do outside of the building. leapIN is Fanshawe College's premier Business Accelerator Program built around real-world, hands-on learning experience. In this program, participants will be getting their hands dirty, talking to real customers, potential partners, and competitors as they encounter the chaos and uncertainty of real startup life.
The road to being a successful entrepreneur is not an easy one. It can be long, difficult, risky, lonely, and often can be full of failure. But that's exactly why we created the leapIN program. It is for any early-stage Fanshawe College founder, which includes any current or past student who dreams of owning their own business, has an innovative idea to develop, and wants to earn up to $5,000 to do it.
Each day is a new adventure in and outside of leapIN as they test each part of their business idea, develop their entrepreneurial mindset, grow their networks, and become a better business leader. We split the accelerator into 3 main learning components: validating a problem we're solving, finding a solution worth building, and readying the company for launch and growth. These components are split into over 40 guided workshops and hands-on sessions that are covered by the leapIN advisor team and many expert guest speakers to expand upon the participants' business knowledge and help them understand what their strengths are. As participants begin to discover what their specific skill sets are, they also begin to realize that they need support from others for the areas that they aren't so strong in.
One of the unique components of leapIN is the strong community that develops during the program, which is very important because entrepreneurship can be quite lonely. This is why we carefully select and create our cohorts with the intention that they'll become a supporting community for each other as they move through their entrepreneurial journey and beyond Fanshawe.
There were other artists in leapIN, so I really gravitated to those people and was able to make some really meaningful friendships. I really love the fact that I can run into them wherever and it feels like we haven't missed a beat. Some of them have really maintained contact, ask about how I am, keep up to date with the projects that I'm doing, vice versa. It's like a friend that you shared this one very specific experience with that nobody else has.
Each group becomes like a little family by the end of the program. It's amazing to see them bounce ideas off each other, get feedback on what they're developing, and support each other during the wins and also the losses. But what's truly inspiring is being able to watch a really safe space develop among the group over the weeks as they become more open and honest with each other. This group cohesion tends to happen through, a series of icebreakers and games, confidence and team building exercises, group projects, and some really awesome field trips. If you're a Fanshawe student or graduate and have a viable business that you would like to explore, take the leap and connect with us.